I used to be 320 pounds and I've lost 160 pounds with no loose skin. And combined with my mom, we've lost 260 pounds with no loose skin. Now, if you've heard about fasting, maybe you've heard a lot of ways of fasting. And I'm going to tell you guys, one of my favorite ways to fast is to not purposely fast. And you might be like, what does that mean? It means we wake up with the sun, we eat when the sun is rising, and we don't eat when the sun is down.
Which that works sometimes in the year and sometimes not, because like in winter, it doesn't always work exactly like
Sure,
that.
but you get the gist. The gist is like, we're not like strict, crazy people about the sun and like eating at certain times. We're just like, we eat for 8 hours and we don't eat for 16.
Yeah, so we're going to explain to you in this video why fasting and autophagy can help with tighter skin. And you might be surprised by some of the things we share in this video, so stay till the end.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
So we believe that fat loss without surgery or weight loss medication, injections, or pills is absolutely possible. And we fast every day, but we don't do it because we're intermittent fasting. We do it because we get great results with our energy levels, our sleep, and, frankly, our blood work is coming back looking fabulous. So there's nothing that's going to lie about your weight or your blood. And so if you're stuck in the body positive conversation and you just think, everything's fabulous and everything's a social construct and just, that's not true. It's just not true. So we stop eating around 6. Penelope stops eating a little earlier.
Because I wake up a little earlier.
Right. So we just cut it off. It's like you got to get your calories in, those quality calories and your quality hydration early enough. Now, if you're working a lot, you really are going to have to reorganize your day. And so the structure of your day is something that is really important. Almost all of our girls, when they join our program, have to work on getting themselves organized. And that's really the first step. If you really want to get healthy, you just have to get organized. And Penelope and I have really figured out how to do that in a fast, efficient, inexpensive way. The secret weapon to having tight skin isn't collagen powders or fancy peptides or any kind of fancy creams. It's really about using the natural systems that are available to you free of charge and just using them strategically, because it's not about starving. When you starve, you actually encourage loose skin. You encourage sallow looking face. You encourage wrinkles. You encourage skin that's almost pasty looking, like crepe paper.
So how did we get tight skin on our journey? Like, one of the things that really helped us get tight skin was not doing weight loss drugs or surgery, and also eating better oils. And you guys might be like, what's a better oil? Well, I can just tell you, the better oils to eat are the ones from nature. So avocado, preferably like just butter, beef tallow,
coconut oil, olive oil. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
And so anything else that wasn't mentioned on that list, don't go eat it.
Right. And so it's really important that you don't starve yourself. I just want to mention that again, because, autophagy is amazing because it'll basically eat up the dead protein that your body didn't use, and then you get tighter skin cells.
I see what you mean. So it's like, because you're not eating, it doesn't mean when you do eat whatever you want. I've seen people do that where they just eat whatever they want. They have one meal a day, but it's like such bad food. And if you are somebody that's doing that because you just love food and you want to enjoy it, I have great news for you. You can still enjoy the food you eat. You just have to use different ingredients to make it a little bit more nutritious for your body. You'll actually feel better when you eat it.
And the oil point that you just made is really about the strategy. So when you do eat the calories, that the calories are anti-inflammatory. And then when you don't have as much inflammation, your skin is going to get tighter faster because you're just helping your body do its own repair work. And believe it or not, in case someone told you that your body can't heal itself and you need a surgery or you need an injection or you need a medication, they want to help you. So I'm not going to say that they're a bad person or they don't know what they're talking about. But when you change your lifestyle, your body is designed to heal itself. And we have seen thousands of people turn around their health and lose weight naturally. But you have to believe that it's possible. And we've seen that it's possible. So we can tell you that, but it's really important that you remember your body was designed to heal itself. And so you need to learn how to use strategy through your fasting, not starving yourself, in order to lose the weight with tight skin. So one of the things we did is that we also stretched our bodies. So we did exercise. It's really important that you exercise because when you do strength training combined with cardio, not too much, not too little, your body literally tightens and then lifts. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine your belly tightening and lifting? Can you imagine like your back, like coming in towards the center and lifting up? It happens. It absolutely happens. But we need to nourish our bodies with good fats and good protein. And then your body literally heals itself from the inside out. And you absolutely need those windows of time, what's called intermittent fasting, which we know is autophagy, which is trending right now. You need those periods of time for your body to do its cleanup work. And if you happen to have obesity in your life, you will need extra time for your body to do its cleanup work, and your body will do it. It's so miraculous. We're seeing it happen every day in our program with the women who've joined, but you have to choose it, and you have to get educated, and you have to get empowered with the skills so that you know how to make amazing, delicious, healthy, and nutritious food when your eating hours are live, because it's exciting. It's like, woo, it's time to eat. And if you don't know how to do that, definitely subscribe to our Substack, support our mission, and get recipes that are going to change your life.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will see you all the time.